In that engine? It can be all yours for some red wheels. Let's go get some. Bam! First challenge. Hit it. Challenge accepted. I hope you've got your thinking cap on. This is a puzzle trial. Your goal is to fix the track in order to get your car from this launcher to the finish ring. Can you do it? Sure you can. Here are your track pieces. Boom! Get busy building. Just grab a track piece, slide them over, and drop them where you think they fit. Perfect! You got this. All right, let's finish up the track. Test your track at any time by pressing the Go button. Alrighty then, just smash the Go button and go get your red wheel. Arcade steering. Two-finger controls. Here's a loaner until you get your own ride. Pull the launcher all the way back to get your car going. Here we go. Keep going, champ. Red wheel 1. We've got one more in store. Hit it. Let's challenge accepted. This is a race challenge. Time to bring your two-finger controls. Okay, you can do better next time. Show me what you've got. Was cool. Nice. You got red wheels. Oh yeah. This Roger Dodger is ready to roll. Challenge cleared. You've completed all the daily challenges available.